Host, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 insanely simple ways to make $1,000 a month. If you're ready to boost your income, keep watching. Method 1: Online surveys. Sign up for reputable survey sites and share your opinions to earn cash or gift cards. It's easy and can be done during your spare time. Method 2: Start a blog. Share your passion or expertise and monetize your blog through ads or sponsored content. It's a fun way to make money doing what you love. Method 3: Become a virtual assistant. Offer your organizational and admin skills remotely. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses are looking for help, and you could earn a steady income. Method 4: Sell handmade crafts or products online. Whether it's jewelry, artwork, or even homemade candles, platforms like Etsy make it simple to showcase and sell your creations. Method 5: Become a freelance writer. If you have a way with words, offer your writing services to websites, magazines, or businesses. It's a flexible and lucrative option. Method 6: Teach online. Share your expertise through online courses or tutoring platforms. Many people are willing to pay for knowledge, and you can earn while helping others. Method 7: Rent out a spare room on Airbnb. If you have extra space at home, why not turn it into a side business? It's a great way to make money with minimal effort. Method 8: Become a social media manager. Many businesses struggle with managing their social media accounts. If you're social savvy, offer your services and get paid for it. Method 9: Start a YouTube channel. Share your unique content, whether it's gaming, cooking, or even unboxing products. With ads and sponsorships, YouTube can be a profitable venture. Method 10: Become a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Use your skills, such as graphic design, programming, or translation, to earn money on a flexible schedule. Host, and that's it. 10 simple methods to make $1,000 a month. Remember, these are just a starting point, and with dedication, creativity, and hard work, you can exceed this goal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas to improve your life.